Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. This is Osama, and you're watching the Arabic Twist on YouTube. Hello, and welcome to this moment. If you're here, it means you didn't stop early. You didn't give up. You stayed, you worked, and you pushed through the parts that weren't easy. That already tells me something about you. Level 3 is where Arabic changes for you. Up to now, you've been learning how the language works. You've learned rules, patterns, and structure. Don't get me wrong, that matters a lot. Without this stage, nothing else is possible. But understanding a language doesn't come from rules alone, it comes from experience. That's why level 3 is built around stories. A lot of stories. Stories are how humans understand the world. They give meaning to words, they give emotion to structure, and undoubtedly, they give your brain a reason to remember. Not random texts, not artificial examples, but stories designed to train your brain to understand Arabic naturally. Stories that grow with you, step by step. When you learn through stories, something different happens. You stop translating every word. You stop fighting the language. You start following meaning. And you start thinking in Arabic without forcing it. And around these stories, there are many exercises. Each exercise is there for a reason. Nothing is filler. Nothing is there just in case. Some exercises push your understanding. Some challenge your memory. Some force speed. Some make you notice details you used to miss. Some quietly connect things you didn't even realize were connected. You're not just consuming content. You are training your brain. Level 3 doesn't try to impress you with big words. No rush, no overload. It respects how learning actually works. It repeats the right things in the right way at the right time until understanding becomes natural. Grammar comes back, but now it makes sense. Vocabulary comes back, but now it sticks. Patterns stop feeling abstract. Meaning becomes clearer, faster, and more natural. This is where Arabic stops feeling like a subject and starts feeling like a language you actually understand. If level 2 gave you control, level 3 gives you confidence. Not fake confidence, not surface confidence, real confidence. The kind that comes from understanding. Alright, now how is this gonna work? At the beginning of each episode, I'm gonna give you some vocabulary that we have in the story. Of course, there are many other words that we can derive from these vocabulary, but I'll give you the full list at the end of each episode. After that, we're gonna have some warm-up exercises, just to get you ready for the text. Then we're gonna read the story together, sentence by sentence. You have to pronounce out loud. I will include English translation, and I'm gonna explain everything, like every single thing. All the words, all the case endings, all the grammar. I'm gonna remind you of everything we studied before, and give sufficient explanations of new stuff. I'm gonna be reading sentence by sentence, and giving you enough space to repeat. And again, repeat out loud. After that, we're gonna read the story again, but this time with no translation. I'm gonna read each sentence and give you enough space to repeat. Then, after I make sure that you really understand the story, I'm gonna give you some exercises. Each story will be about a different topic, which will give you a lot of vocabulary in many different fields. And don't worry, you've got this. Okay, buddy, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. I'll see you in the next lesson, but till then have a good one, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.